What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you best free traffic methods to promote Maxbounty offers and earn $100 per day. Many of us wanted to start our journey with Maxbounty or CPM marketing, but we do not have the budget, and most of the people who prefer to promote CPA offers via paid advertising like Facebook ads, Google ads and YouTube ads, but the problem is that you need a sufficient budget. So that's why I wanted to show you there are a lot of free methods out there. By utilizing these methods you can earn $100 per day or even more than this. This is just a short video about these free methods, and in the upcoming videos I will show you one by one on each traffic method. So it will be much detailed videos in the coming days in which I will show you one by one on each traffic method, how to properly set up your funnel and how to make money using that free traffic strategy. Now before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel Khan Marketing, here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept and how to become an entrepreneur. So if you are interested in that type of a video, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn money using my most recommended system, I recommend you to be part of that commission hero system, and I am also part of this platform. There are more than 2200 members, and this is another success story from this guy who has been earning over $1,300 per week after joining this system, and many people are actually changing their life just by joining Commission Hero. This is a program created by the ClickBank's #1 affiliate who is earning more than $50,000 per day. So if you wanted to be part of this program, I will mention that link in the description box and you can use that link to be part of that platform. Now let's move to our video, that is free traffic methods to promote Maxbounty offers. Let's look at one by one. The first traffic method is YouTube. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine out there after Google, and billions of people are coming on a daily basis on this platform. So what we can do, we can actually create a YouTube channel. So just like if you just look at my YouTube channel, I am producing videos on a regular basis. You need to do the same. All you need is to just pick up a niche. Let's suppose you wanted to just move to the Maxbounty, and from here you can browse different offers and you can work on make money offer, you can work on tech niche, you can work on business niche, you can work on fitness and health niche. So it is up to you, but these niches are really popular like make money, health and fitness and sweepstakes. So what you can do, just create a YouTube channel and start promoting or start creating videos on a regular basis on your YouTube channel. Definitely with free traffic methods you need to put some effort at the start. You are actually building assets one by one, or you are actually building assets day by day, and after 5 to 6 months you will start seeing results. This is not something paid traffic like you have invested now, you have invested today and you are getting results tomorrow. So with free traffic method you need to take step one by one, and after 5 to 6 months you will start seeing results. Just like my YouTube channel, you can just look at other YouTube channels. These people are actually producing videos on a regular basis and they're actually guiding their visitors about how they can take action by providing link in the description box. So when they take the action, like let's suppose they are promoting win an iPhone 11, so they will put that affiliate link in the description box. So when they direct those visitors to the description link, definitely most of the people click on that link and they end up, if they fill out the form or provide the information that is required by the offer, you will earn money. This is how you can make money from YouTube. Now let's move to our next traffic system, that is Instagram. Instagram is currently growing day by day and there are billions of people who are coming on a daily basis, and with Instagram, the beauty of Instagram is that these people are really engaged. They are liking your pictures, they are commenting you, they are following you. So lot of engagements out there in Instagram. And what you can do, just create an Instagram account, and you need to just produce content for your Instagram. But don't worry, in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can produce content or just copy and paste other people legally, and you can promote your Instagram account day by day, and you can build a lot of assets and start making tons of money by joining that Instagram platform. Now let's move to our third system, that is Pinterest. Pinterest is also one of the world's largest social channel out there, where people are actually sharing their images. These are called pins, and once your pin get attracted by a lot of people, definitely if it has a good click-through rate, by how you can get the better click-through rate, by providing an appealing image. So when it get appealed by a large audience, definitely it will get clicked on Pinterest, and it will drive traffic to your landing page, and on that landing page you can convert those visitors to whatever you want. This is how you can make money from Pinterest. And now let's move to our fourth channel, that is blog. Blog is also like creating a website related to a particular niche. You need to produce content on your blog. You can write it on yourself, or you can hire a writer. Definitely it will cost you money, and after 3 to 4 months, once you start producing quality articles on your website, definitely it will get ranked on Google. And once it gets ranked, it will drive traffic from the Google search engine, and you are getting targeted visitors from the search engine, and you can convert these visitors to whatever you want. Now let's move to my 5 traffic system, that is Quora. Quora is also one of the largest website out there in the world, and it is getting millions of traffic on a monthly basis. So what you can do, you can just create an account on Quora, and by participating in different questionnaires and by giving them answers or targeted answers to the people, you can actually put your affiliate link or CPA offers link. So if anyone go through your answer and actually take the action as described, as mentioned by you, definitely you can earn money using Quora. So don't worry, in the upcoming videos I will show you step-by-step approach how you can get started on Quora and make $100 per day. My last strategy is Facebook. With respect to Facebook, there are multiple ways. You can either create your Facebook page, or you can be very active in different Facebook groups. Let's suppose you are promoting keto offers. What you can do, you can just participate in those groups, keto groups. Just engage with the people, and after providing the value, you can actually share your way how you will be reached out by different people, and you can guide those people by sharing that affiliate link. So once these people direct or take action as suggested by you, you will earn money. But there are a lot of other things be involved in these strategies. Definitely I will show you in the upcoming videos in more detail, one by one, on every traffic method. So subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.